If you're trying to collect video or voice feedback through forms, this is the only quick tutorial you need. Because I've already tested the most popular tools and I'll show you exactly how to do it without the fluff. Plus, stick around to the end for the key takeaway and access to an exclusive free trial you can't get anywhere else. Here's why this is worth your time. Collecting video or voice feedback through forms doesn't just make your feedback more human, it gives you insights you simply won't get from checkboxes and ratings. And with the software we'll use today, it's actually simpler than you'd expect. First, go ahead and sign up for the free trial using the link in the description. It's exclusive to viewers of this channel and lets you follow along exactly step by step. Once you're in, head to the form builder. You'll notice you can drag in different elements, like text, drop-downs, and here's the important part, a video and voice recording block. This is where the magic happens. Drop that into your form and click on it to customize. You can choose whether users record video, voice, or both. For example, if you're getting testimonials, video might be more powerful, but if you want quick product feedback, audio only might be faster and easier for people to do on mobile. Now customize the prompt so users know exactly what to say. A simple, tell us in 30 seconds what you liked or didn't like, works great. You can even set a time limit to keep things short and easy to review later. Then go to the settings. Make sure you've enabled response notifications so you get alerted when someone submits their feedback. You can even integrate it with Google Sheets or your CRM for easier follow-up. Next, preview your form. You'll want to test the video or voice feature on desktop and mobile to make sure it runs smoothly. If it doesn't, this software gives you fallback options, like uploading a file instead of recording in browser. Once you're happy, grab the share link or embed code and place it on your site, email, or even inside a client portal. Now, the key takeaway here is this. When you collect video or voice feedback through forms, you're not just collecting data, you're capturing emotion, tone, and nuance that text simply can't give you. And that can totally change how you improve your product, service, or client experience. Quick recap. Sign up using the free trial below. Use the form builder to add a video or voice block. Customize your prompts, set time limits, test it, and share your form. That's it. And again, if you want to follow along or just try this for your own business, the exclusive free trial is linked in the description, only available to viewers of this channel. Thanks for watching. Now go collect feedback that actually matters.